And so just to kind of clarify, this was a short that I took on Wednesday, the 11th of February. But from a 15-minute time frame perspective, I want to introduce traders to this flow chart, which I created recently. So I call it the 15-minute power hour. And the 15-minute power hour is basically I trade for 60 minutes per day, and I only use a 15-minute time frame to validate my levels. And so this is how I look for things, right? So we're going to be referring to this flow chart throughout the rest of the video. And if you want a copy of it, just feel free to comment in the comments, and I will send you over a free link to where you can access this flow chart. But when we're looking at the flow chart here, in terms of what I look for on the 15-minute time frame, on the 15-minute time frame, structure can either be bullish or bearish. And so we start off with basic market structure, right? What is the market structure? Are we bullish or are we bearish? Now, for this particular trade, we were actually bearish, and I'm going to explain why the structure was bearish right now. So if we just take a look at the market structure, right, let's zoom